Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase: a compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access, using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at Microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Air Conditioning Appointment Tracking Database. So you're gonna scroll all the way up here to the top to the appointment and scheduling section. You're gonna want to select the Access Air Conditioning Appointment Tracking Database. So go ahead and click that. And then you're going to want to download the correct demonstration that correlates to the version of Access that you have. I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Once the download finishes, go ahead and open that up. And you're going to want to extract all that file, so go ahead and extract that. Once you've extracted that, go ahead and open it. And along with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views it as a security risk. I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open it. And with all of our database templates, you also get a pop-up box that shows all the different ways that you can contact us. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and close that out for now. So what this template would be great for is if you needed to keep track of appointments. This particular template is designed for air conditioning companies specifically. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by adding a new customer. So I'll use my name for this, Blake Bundy, account title, IT consultant, whoops, and then email, we'll just make some up, test@winningsolution.com. We might as well just put in a phone number, make that one up too. Address line 222. Test. Alright, perfect. And we'll go ahead and check the billing address. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close that. But before, you can put in your call history if you want, appointment history here, and payment history all within this while you're building a customer. I am just going to leave those blank for now. Go ahead and save and close that. And so what I can do now is if I want to view the schedule calendar, so it's in day form. You can make it into monthly form, but we are going to go back to day form. So today is Wednesday the 2nd, so we're going to go ahead and go to December 2nd, and let's make an appointment at 8 a.m. You double click right here. Our customer we just created was me. Our employees, we already have some test employees in here. As you can see, if you were to buy the database template, you have all of your own employees that you actually put in there. So let's just go person 1. Type, we'll go install. Obviously you can set all these yourself as well if you purchase the template. Location 1. Start time 8 a.m. 8:30. We'll just leave all that the same. You can also put in different workers that you're gonna have working on this particular project. So if maybe you're gonna have multiple workers, you can put in multiple workers if you need more than one worker for one project. Payments, you can also put the payment method, all that kind of stuff. Pretty cool. It's pretty detailed. We're going to go ahead and save and close that, and look at that, install location 1 pops up right there. You can even view it in the monthly form, and you will also see that. Pretty cool. It's pretty detailed. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming needed, you want to buy a template, you want to edit a template, any need. Go ahead and contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those. We post quite frequently. And once again, thank you guys for watching this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.